and today we've got this. This is the Destek V4 virtual reality headset. Now, why have I got this? Well, it's quite simple. There are loads and loads and loads of quadcopter applications out there. Oh, this looks quite nice, look at that. That allow you to fly using your smartphone. I quite like smartphone flight, but above all, I always notice that on those quadcopter apps, you have a VR headset option. Now, one thing I haven't had a very good pair of, I had a pair of Google Cardboard VR goggles, but obviously that's not good enough for what I want them for. So I decided to go with a pair of goggles. Now, I've been looking for a good pair of goggles for ages. There are loads on the market. Some of them say they do fantastic things, but they don't. So I have been testing this for a while. I think that these are brilliant. Let me know what you think. Right, inside here we have the goggles. Now, here they are. Now this in itself, I love these. I think they're very professional. All of this kit, mind you, was $29.99. That's it. Link is in the description, folks, should you want to check it out. Right, so this is the Destek. Take that off the front. Lovely design there. Peel down the front, that is where your phone goes, just inside there. Working our way to the back, you have your zoom function, so you can zoom in just to make things a little bit clearer. Then on the outside, either side here, and the top and the bottom, you have your head straps. Now, look at this. This beautifully, really nice bit of fabric here fits on your head very, very securely. And with this wide nose arch as well, it means it fits in very comfortably. Now, the best thing about this material is that it's breathable, so your face isn't going to sweat. That's a big thing for me because I like playing a few VR games in the house and I don't want to have huge great big sweaty patches across my face. So having some nice material like this that breathes, that's absolutely, I think, 100% needed when you're looking at goggles like this. Then you have your optics on the inside there. Now these optics have got anti-blue light coating. So you should, which obviously that's safer for your eyes. A lot of smartphones these days and laptops allow you, as of a certain time in the night, to automatically have this like golden hue over your display. That then takes the blue light out, because it's blue light that stimulates your brain and keeps you awake. So if you take out that blue light, you can start to fall off to sleep and your brain starts to shut down quite naturally. Same as when you're playing this. If you've got too much blue light, it can actually damage your eyes and affect the way that you sleep. So what they've done here is they've taken out the blue light using these coatings on the optics, and I gotta say, I think it works really well. I haven't had any headaches or anything from using this. I haven't used them overly, but I have used them a little bit, and still I find there's been no headaches whatsoever. On the underside, you've got these two buttons here. If you slide them in, I don't know how well you can see this, look at the optics. You should be able to notice that as I move them, the optics move. So these are to bring your eyes closer in or further out. So it caters to different head sizes, different eye sizes, different eye shapes as well. So that is very, very good. Then you've got your hinge at the bottom here. This hinge just looks after the drawbridge at the front here where your smartphone goes. But all in all, it's very light. It doesn't feel that much as well when it's on your face. So without the straps, you're talking 350 grams. That's not a lot. Okay, so you add the straps, and the straps themselves in this bag. Let's get these out here. Ooh. So the straps themselves are 76 grams. So those two together are 423 grams. And then by the time you add in your phone, you're looking at about 600 grams, 700 grams. And to be honest with you, that's all right. I think that's okay. I don't think that's too bad. Now, as we've got the strap out, this is what the strap looks like. It looks really nice. Hard plastic to the back. Oh, come on. There. Hard plastic to the back. More cushioning to the back of your head there. Then you have got your Velcro straps either side here so you can attach it properly and comfortably. And then you've got your other straps here as well. You've also got a glasses cleaner as well for your optics. And you've got a little bit of Velcro there, a little bit of double-sided sellotape should you need it, just to ensure that everything is sitting quite nice and comfortably. In this bag, you have a Bluetooth remote control. So you can play games while having your headset attached to you, should you want to. You can assign this to your phone, and then you can just play like normal. Perfect, absolutely perfect. You got 2 shoulder buttons, feels quite nice. Does this, obviously I'm guessing this will work with other Bluetooth devices as well, just simply because it doesn't attach to the headset, it attaches to your phone. So therefore, if you've got something which is, say for argument's sake, for myself, I 90% use an iPhone, so as long as I can attach a game controller to my iPhone, it should be able to work with this without any problem. So that's good. Right, so all in all, this is what we have so far. We have the headset, we have the controller, we have the straps, the cleaner and the sticky pad, and we also get a bit more. We get manuals, lots of manuals, user guides, remote controller user guides. Now in order to double check what phones fit in this, you're going to have to check the link in the description, but the phones on the website listed are all iPhone, well, 90% of iPhones, as well as 90% of the Samsung S series phones, LG phones, most of those. There is a very long list of phones that will fit inside here. You also get a free gift. Free gift is a cell phone stand, so your mobile phone stand inside there, just out of some little cut off bits of wood inside there. And then of course you get your faux felt bag. Now if I open this, with FPV goggles, you often get, whether they are directly as in FPV racer goggles or virtual reality goggles, you often get a little bag to carry them in, and this is the one you get for this. Looks nice, feels nice. All in all, I'm really happy with that. All in all, folks, I'm really happy with the whole thing. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because I'm going to be using these more in more testings as time goes on, and hopefully we're going to be getting a good feeling for this as well. Alright then folks, I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.